As your trusted technology partner, Exigent Technologies uses the same best practices that we urge our clients to adopt. That's why we require a user ID verification tool for help desk phone calls. Most of you are used to multi-factor authentication for website logins and apps. MFA confirms your ID using a word or number generated through an SMS text, a phone call, or an app. Our user ID verification, or MFA tool, confirms the ID of anyone calling Exigent for support. All client employees must add a mobile phone number into the tool we use for user verification, QuickPass. These numbers are used only for MFA purposes and are fully secured. The first step of the enrollment process is to watch for an enrollment email from QuickPass. Look for the subject line, "Welcome to QuickPass." Click Register Mobile Phone Number in email. Once you hit send, you should receive a code as an SMS message on your mobile phone. Enter that code into the enrollment screen where it says, Enter Access Code. Hit Verify. After the code is verified, you will get a confirmation that your phone number has been added. You will be asked to complete the verification process each time you call Exigent for help desk support. This means a confirmation code sent to you via SMS will be validated by the Exigent service desk before any support action. Remember, before receiving assistance via phone from the Exigent help desk, all employees must enroll and verify his or her account. If you have any questions, please email supervisor@exigent.net or call the support desk at 973-770-0500 for assistance.